Welcome to PlugAndPlayKits.com. Today we will be working on a 2017 Ford Transit. This harness works from 14 and up. The 17 has a disassembly that is slightly different than the 14 to 16. To start off, you will need a panel tool and a Torx 20 size bit. To get this top piece off, put your panel tool behind the back, lift up slightly, pull forward, this whole piece comes off. You'll have two T20s here, which we remove for video purposes. Then you'll take your fingers, put them behind the silver lip here, pry forward. Take your panel tool, come under the bottom, pry each corner. Once this is out, you have to reach behind, unplug the passenger airbag light, and unplug the radio display wires, which we have unplugged for the video. These are your plugs. Clip on top, clip on top. The other two Torx bits are holding in the ACM unit, which are located right under the display screen. Once you get those out, you pull out and set the unit down. This vehicle here has already been tampered with. The customer was not happy with the installation, so he decided to do one of our kits. Now, the kicker key amplifier can be mounted behind the display unit in this top corner. You can fish the harness down from the top. Once you get it down, the amplifier can mount right inside of the hole. You want to have the kicker key words facing towards you. Slide the right side in. And then the left. Once it's in, it fits in there pretty snug. You can put a zip tie around it and put it right to the bar that's right behind the display. Next step, plug in the harness into the radio. Unplug the radio and plug our harness in. Make sure when you plug it in, you get a click. Now, when sliding this radio back in, you'll notice there's a tab on each side, and on this vehicle here, there's a notch. Make sure you get the tab into that notch. There's one on each side. And then the harnesses for the airbag light needs to be on top, and the harness for the display and control goes on the bottom. Assembly is reverse order of how you took it apart, and that there is how you do the kicker key or the Pioneer piggyback plug and play amp. Alright, now we have finished all of our wire connections, and if you would like to do the optional DSP setup with the pink noise in the microphone, you have to pull your amplifier back out of its mounting location, reattach the front dash piece so you can have all control, and set the amplifier on top because you need to get to this port here for the microphone. You would plug in the microphone in this. They have a strap that comes with the kit that you can put the microphone onto the headrest to perform your test. Make sure once you start the test and it's going through, it goes through 100%. If you stop it, it will not completely set your amplifier up. When finished doing the test, you have to remove the plugs on this dash piece, pull it back out, and mount the amplifier back into the hole. Do not leave the microphone plugged in.